Malege.
Yay!
Come again. Come again. There you go.
So guys, I'm still in back streets of Italy, and guys, finally the world is too small. I met one of my biggest fans, and I know you have seen him on my videos. And guys, meet.
Hello, hi, how you doing, guys? I'm with Claudia right now. We're just down in the sleep. Just wanna give a shout out to all the viewers. Please subscribe for Claudia, and please put the like, support this young lady. That's why we're here, and I love to respect for the whole crowd for the good things that they are doing for us.
With Sesaminia.
Yo.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Yeah, Sulemani Kopa.
Uh-huh.
Or Sulemani Kipindi.
Yo.
Anytime.
Uh-huh.
This is Nairobi. This is Africa. Grandpa over here. Do you know about Sesaminia? Yeah? Ever?
Ever?
Come?
Whiskey?
Just do it here.
Okay, guys, these are my biggest fans from Italy, and guys, today I want to interact with Kenyan Dongaga.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Oh, I've been around, you know what? I've been around, and it's been a pleasure to meet you back again, Claudia. So how you keeping? How things are going? Anyway, you want to flash my bald head? There you go, guys. We can see that bald head guy, you know what I'm saying? I got my love for all the supporters, for Claudia, you know what I'm saying? Keep on doing what you're doing, and we're always gonna follow you guys everywhere you go. Peace.
So guys, I noticed this guy loved this country called Trinidad.
Yeah.
You know Trinidad?
Oh yeah, I love Trinidad and Tobago, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful place. Last time I was there, you know, I mean, love them Trini girls, you know, they're mashallah, they're cute, you know what I'm saying? The Trinidad and Tobago. I was there during the carnival time. I think I can't recall back in the days and stuff, but it's a beautiful place to be. It's a beautiful island. They got beautiful culture, the food, the variety of mix up, all these mix up people. Oh man, it just makes wonderful. Yeah, so are we planning to come back there again someday, one time? Maybe we might come with the Claudia.
Yeah, we are coming to
there.
Trinidad.
Yeah, the calypso music. 10 cents, 20 cents, dollar. There you go. You know what I'm saying?
Are you a musician?
Oh yeah, I'm a musician, but right now I just hang up the boards, you know what I'm saying? But I'm one of the best MCs when I get in the microphone. I'm a crazy MC, you know what I'm saying? Seriously, I'm an OG, man, original gangster nigga, you know what I'm saying? Representing the hip hop industry. It's just turned 50 years, and I'm 55, you know what I'm saying? So I've been in the game since I was 5 years old. We grow together with the hip hop and the reggae too. We love the reggae, love the hip hop, the whole music. It's a universal language, for real, man. You know, it's just peace.
Can you sing for us one song?
What song?
Any song.
Oh my God. Let me try maybe. Oh, girl, I love you so. Never gonna let you go. Once I get my hands on you. For real.
If you know that song, just comment down below. Okay.
Yeah.
What makes you love Trinidad?
Oh, I love Trinidad about the culture, the mix of variety of people, and actually it makes it so unique, you know what I mean? The whole Caribbean island, big up to the whole Caribbean, West Indies, you know what I mean? Trinidad and Tobago, Dominican Republic, St. Kitts, St. Louis, Grenada, Guyana, the whole Caribbean, man. It's just a beautiful place. Cuba, Haiti, you know, all those places. And actually we are Kenyan now, we just send our troops to Haiti. Actually they're in Haiti, Port-au-Prince. Bonjour, Port-au-Prince, parlez français, on je m'appelle Dongaga. Bien.
Okay,
Yeah.
talk about it.
Some amigo que pasa para el español a la familia. Mamacita, señorita, chocolate.
So guys, I'm just enjoying this vibe. Can you talk about Trinidad girls?
Well, Trinidad girls are so sweet, you know what I mean? And especially with the calypso thing and thing. When they go like 10 cents, 20 cents, dollar.
Can you dance again? Can you come dance again?
Yeah, man. I love about Trinidad girl when they go 10 cents, 20 cents. Dollar. Yeah, man.
Okay, guys.
How do you, well, always it's just been a very wonderful experience dealing with the Caribbean people. And all my life, like I grew up with these Caribbean people.
Yeah.
They're so unique. They got all this African thing on them. They still represent. And right now we are in TIA in Africa. You know, this is the motherland. That's where they are right now, but they are our people. We still connect the culture and everything. Actually, it's just been wonderful. We love them, the whole Caribbean, Pan-Africanism, for real. Keep it real, guys. We're gonna come and visit you during the next carnival, me and Claudia, so we can go 10 cents, 20 cents, dollar, for real.
Okay, thank you so much, Kenyan Dog.
Yes.
I think people are gonna love this video.
Yes.
Yeah, tell Team Claudia something.
Oh yeah, I want to tell Team Claudia, please guys, continue to support this young lady, Team Claudia. She's just been real, you know what I mean? She keep it connection with the culture and the African brothers and sisters who are in the West Indies. We try to reconnect back with our people that we lost each other for the last maybe 500 years. For real, man. Support Claudia, support our videos. We love you guys. Hey, big up.
Yeah.
Street father.
Yeah, this is my
West side.
Yeah, man, I'm the street father for a lot of kids. This is one of my street kids, you know what I'm saying? We got mad love for all you guys. Yeah, my nigga's a bad man.
Real for real.
Yeah, this nigga's called a bad man, see? Big up. One love.
Okay, thank you so much, Kenyan
Yes.
Dog.
Yeah.
I hope the people will enjoy your videos. So, guys.
I hope so. The video is gonna be trend like crazy. Come on, guys, support our project, guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe,
And like.
likes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We love you for that, and we're gonna continue to do a lot of video with this beautiful young princess,
Yeah.
Claudia. Please show us some mad love.
Yeah.
Damn, nigga.
So, guys, bye-bye. You want to talk about Trinidad?
Yeah, you wanna talk
You
about
want to talk about
Trinidad and
Trinidad?
Tobago?
Yeah.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Yes.
Never been there. Talk about uncle.
Have you ever heard of it?
Yeah.
Okay, tell about something.
Yeah, man, say about something. We're planning the next
What
carnival.
about
I want to bring this young man to Trinidad and Tobago so he can see the beauty of that country and the whole Caribbean.
Foreign, you know, foreign
Yeah, you know what I
understand.
mean?
Malawi gold.
Yeah.
For real.
Come tell us more about Trinidad.
Mi kwanza ni mtaji bangi.
Guy.
Mi ni mkubwa.
Wewe ni mkubwa?
Yes.
And you?
Super.
Tuambie unajua hii country inaitwa Trinidad.
Hiyo ni country gani? Hiyo ni island.
The island karibu na Jamaica. So it's just been very good experience with the Claudia and the whole crowd we got here.
Bakisha zingine za kesho.
Actually, we continue to do what are we doing. We super hapa anacheka. You know,
Bakisha zingine
we're
za
gonna
kesho.
say in Swahili what? Jambo.
Jambo.
Habari gani? Hakuna matara. You know what I mean? Hakuna matara.
Matata.
We Kenyan people are very peaceful. We are lovely and we love the whole universe. Come to Kenya, guys. Come to Kenya and shine with us. Peace and love for the all people who are watching Claudia right now. Please subscribe, put the likes, and we can continue to shine with this young lady. We can take it to the top, boy. You know what I'm saying? We love you. Come again. Come again. There you go. For real.
So guys, see you in the next video.
Come again.
Bye-bye.